You must have tried spinach in so many different ways. I insist that you must try once this way. This is a recipe of baby spinach, which you can always apply on the normal spinach. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So our today's recipe is saag with chana dal, and for which here I am taking around 1 tablespoon of oil, and into goes 2 red chilies and around 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. And we just need to cook the garlic for around 30 seconds, and then we are adding chana dal. So we need to soak the chana dal for at least an hour, and if you can soak it for 2 to 3 hours it's even better, but at least an hour. Cook the garlic on medium flame until it's just about to turn golden brown. And as you can see, our garlic is looking good, so it's time to add our soaked chana dal. So here I have soaked quarter cup of chana dal for 2 to 3 hours. Then I washed it nicely twice, and then here I'm adding soaked chana dal. And this recipe is for 500 gram of spinach, for which I have used quarter cup of chana dal. Here I am adding salt around 1 teaspoon, and we just need to cook our chana dal with garlic and salt for around 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. And then we are going to add our spinach. So as I mentioned earlier, I am using baby spinach, and I have 500 gram of baby spinach, which I have washed it nicely at least twice. So make sure that your spinach is nicely washed, there is no dirt in it. Because I have used baby spinach, the leaves are very small, so I have not chopped it. But for the better result, if you wish, you can chop the spinach as roughly or finely, it's up to you. And if you are using regular spinach, then you need to chop it and then add it. But either of the spinach, the result will be the same. As you can see, within few minutes the spinach will start releasing the water, and that water will help the dal to cook. So we just need to cook until all the water is evaporated and the dal is nicely cooked. So it does take around 15 to 20 minutes depending on what temperature you are cooking on, what kind of pot you are using, and I would suggest that your heat should be on medium high so that water evaporates nicely, quickly. But at the same time your dal needs to be cooked. So this is where the longer you soak your dal, it helps. You can also cover and cook, it helps the dal to cook fast. And once your dal is cooked, you just need to cook on high flame so that all the water evaporates quickly. And once you are happy with the consistency, you can switch it off and take your saag out. And I like my saag to be quite dry, so this is the kind of consistency I would prefer. So my saag is ready, and now I'm going to share something very simple which makes your saag much more tastier. So allow your saag to be little cool down, and then here I'm making a well in the middle, and into goes around 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and little bit of salt. Here I am using Himalayan salt and some green chili. If you do not like green chili, you can avoid it. If you do not have mustard oil, then you can use olive oil or your choice of your oil. But this just little bit of raw oil gives a very nice taste to this saag. And you have your saag, your lentil, and just give it a good mix and enjoy your saag with rice dal or chapati or naan. It's a really nice, tasty saag. I insist that you please give it a try once and do share your comments with us. And I hope you like this recipe. Then please do give it a like. And there are many more recipes like that on our channel, so please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.